Good morning, kids. Welcome to SRPS online classes. Today I will teach you subject English, topic cursive alphabet A to Z.
So kids, today I will teach you cursive alphabet A to Z. So kids, shall we start? First, write A. Move upward, then downward, then this. This is your A. A for apple. Now our next cursive alphabet is B. B for ball. Move downward, then upward. Take two turns like this. And this is your B. B for ball. Our next cursive alphabet is C. C for cat. Make a slanting line, then curve, then move downward, then again curve. And our next small cursive C. C for cat. Our next cursive alphabet is D. D for dog. Make a slanting line, then small turn, move upward, then curve. Take a turn like this, and this is your D. D for dog. Our next cursive alphabet is E. E for elephant. Move upward, then curve, then again curve. Take a small turn like this, and this is your E. E for elephant. Our next cursive alphabet is F. F for fish. Move upward, downward, and this is your F. F for fish. Our next cursive alphabet is G. G for grapes. You can start from the third line, move upward, then goes back, move downward, then this, move downward, turn. Then take a small round like this, move downward, and then again turn. This is your G. G for grapes. Next cursive alphabet is H. H for hen. Make a slanting line and start from second line. Make a slanting line, then move downward, then small turn, then again make a straight line, then small turn like this, move upward, then goes backward, then downward, and this is your H. H for hen. Our next cursive alphabet is I. I for ice cream. You can start from the second line. Make a sleeping line, then goes upward, then downward, and this is your I. I for ice cream. Our next cursive alphabet is J. J for jug. Make a sleeping line, then goes upward, then downward, goes downward from the fourth line. Touch the fourth line, again goes upward, then downward, touch the fourth line, and this is your J. J for jug. Our next cursive alphabet is K. K for kite. Make a slanting line, then move downward, take a small turn like this, Make one slanting line, then another slanting line. Now take a turn, move backward, goes downward, and this is your K. K for kite. Our next cursive alphabet is L. L for lion. Move upward, then downward, then take a backward turn like this, goes upward, and this is your L. L for lion. Our next cursive alphabet is M. M for monkey. Make a slanting line, move downward, again upward, then again downward, again upward, then again downward. For the small cursive alphabet, goes upward, then downward, then upward, then downward. Okay, this is your M. M for monkey. Our next cursive alphabet is N. N for nest. Move upward, then downward, then again upward, then downward. Now for small cursive, goes upward, then downward, then upward, then again downward. This is your N. N for nest. Our next cursive alphabet is O. O for orange. Move upward, then make a round like this, goes upward, then take a turn, and again make a small cursive alphabet, make a round like this, and this is your O. O for orange. Our next cursive alphabet is P. P for parrot. Move downward, goes backward, and take a small turn like this. Move downward, goes upward, then downward, and this is your P. P for parrot. Our next cursive alphabet is Q. Q for queen. Make a small round like this, then this, then take a small circle like this, goes down and then up. Q. Q for queen. Now our next cursive alphabet is R. R for rose. Move downward, then upward, then take a small turn, goes upward, and this is your R. R for rose. Our next cursive alphabet is S. S for sun. You can start from the third line. Move upward, then small round, goes down, touch the first line, then goes backward, again take a small turn, touch the second line, and this. This is your S. S for sun. Now our next cursive alphabet is T. T for tiger. Move upward, then downward, then goes down and goes upward, and this is your T. T for tiger. Our next cursive alphabet is U. U for umbrella. Move upward, then turn, goes downward, then again upward, and again down. Take a next turn like this and goes upward, and this is your U. U for umbrella. Our next cursive alphabet is V. V for van. Move upward, then downward, then again upward. Take a small loop like this. Goes downward and again take a small loop. V. V for van. Our next cursive alphabet is W. What? W. Make a slanting line, then curve, goes down, upward, then again down, then upward, and small loop like this. Then again down, upward, then down, and this is your W. W for watch. Our next cursive alphabet is X. X for Xmas. Goes upward, then turn like this, move backward, then this, goes again backward, make again slanting line like this, and this is your X. X for Xmas. Our second last cursive alphabet is Y. Y for yak. Move upward, then goes downward, then again upward, then downward, and this is your Y. Y for yak. Our last cursive alphabet is Z. Z for zebra. Make a slanting line, then downward, then proper down like this, and this is your Z. Z for zebra. This is your small cursive alphabet A to Z. Learn this and revise this, and see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.